Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find a MAC address on Android. First, unlock your phone and locate the Settings app icon, which often looks like a gear. Tap on it to open your device's main configuration menu. This is the starting point for accessing all your phone's system information. We will navigate through these settings to quickly pinpoint the unique identifier you need. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled About Phone or sometimes About Device. Tap on this to enter a new menu. Here, you'll see various details about your phone. Now, search for Status Information or a similar heading. This is where the specific network details are usually stored, making it easy to find what we need. Within the Status Information menu, you should see an entry specifically labeled Wi-Fi MAC address. This is the unique identifier you are looking for. It will appear as a series of 12 characters, including both letters and numbers, often separated by colons. This address is crucial for identifying your device on a network. Make sure to note it down accurately for any future use. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Android device's MAC address in just a few simple steps. This easy method ensures you can quickly find this important network identifier whenever you need it, whether for network configuration or troubleshooting. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals and resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.